Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. So happy you would join me today across time and space, sending you love on your path. If you're having a hard day, feeling depressed, anxious, worried, angry, frustrated, lonely, numb, hungry, feeling scarcity, if you're feeling fed up with this life, know that you're not alone. That so many people can relate to the pain that you may be feeling, the anxieties. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Trust in our capabilities. Trust in opportunities that are right in front of us. Trust in other people. Trust in life itself. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be aware. Putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side. Putting any recent mistakes to the side. Gently closing the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world. Becoming aware of the sound of my voice, the music. Listening with your heart. Opening the chest. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing your face. So you take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Full body breathing in. And full body exhale, let go. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhale, letting go of fear, letting go of the inner critic. Breathing in compassion for the suffering. Exhale, letting go of pain. Feeling some pain, leave the mind, leave the body. Saying goodbye to insecurities and hello to more trust. Breathing in every cell in your body. And exhaling, releasing, letting go. Relaxing the belly, dropping the shoulders, relaxing your hands and feet. Taking a deep breath in. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. breathing in slower and softer. And exhale, letting go. Letting go of anger. What's past is past. It already happened. Letting go. Coming into forgiveness for others, forgiveness for our own mistakes, and for the mistakes of other people. Coming into compassion. Coming into more patience, more tolerance, more understanding. As you breathe in through the nose, holding the breath at the top. And I want you to visualize every cell in your body. Exhale. Breathing in with your belly, feeling the belly rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Opening your chest. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be this way. Remembering the preciousness of your life, despite all of the pains. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale, feeling yourself more present. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Turning into your body, feeling love for your body as it is, appreciating your mind and all of the crazy thoughts, remembering that thoughts come and go, insecurities come and go, anger comes and it goes. Not giving so much energy to the unpleasant thoughts and emotions today. Bringing the attention back into that which you want instead of that which you don't want. Becoming aware of all the opportunities, blessings that is already here. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhaling. Taking a deep breath in. And holding at the top. And exhale. Becoming aware of your space, aware of your body, aware of your awareness itself. The past is history, the future is a mystery, and the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. The color for today is navy. The number is 7. And the animal is a rhinoceros. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space, sending you a big hug. I want you to know that not all of these episodes is easy for me to create. Some days it's difficult for me to create this. Today was one of those days where I felt challenged to get into my creativity, to play this music and guide this exercise. I hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless, and know that I'm gonna keep coming back every day to make this no matter what. And that sometimes that consistency can be very difficult, yet so rewarding. So if there's something in your life that is hard to stay consistent with, I'm sending you encouragement to stay with it, even on the days where it doesn't feel good, it doesn't feel easy or smooth. Stay with it. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.